Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to pronounce my words correctly today. It's Chris, OZ Canopies and 4x4. What do we got? We've got a brand new GWM Canon XSR in this lovely stealth grey that's in here today to get a manual roller shutter and a Towbar, which is what we're going to focus on. We've got plenty of roller shutter videos. So Towbar on this XSR, because it's got this revised rear step, is a revised bar. The wiring should be pretty straightforward because it's got an OEM fit point. Other than that, let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, Chris, OZ Canopies of 4x4. Yeah, the same gentleman at the start of the video. I don't know why I'm introducing myself at the end of the video. Anyway, XSR tow bar, you guys can see, very straightforward to fit. A little bit of a variation in these tow bars relatively to the standard GWM. Why? Because it's got these revised rear bar. But we've got it all done and dusted from our partners at BTA. That's 3.5 ton towing capacity for these. The GWM Cannons were recently updated up to 3.5 ton towing capacity. So we've got the tow bar to suit at that capacity. Pretty straightforward. You got your 7-pin plug over here. You guys saw it was a direct fit to the OEM plug that it already had. Want to grab one for yourselves? ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. I assure you it is going to be the best XSR tow bar fitted in the Sydney area. We've got a bunch of tow bars for basically anything that can tow. So if you want to double check and see whether or not you can get a tow bar for your vehicle, 0296278666 is the number to call. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitment videos in the pipeline, and I'll see you guys on the next one.